Today we are going to fix this TV. The TV's fault is that there is a black screen with sound. Let's replace the TV light bar. Using this hand to hold down the logic board and put the gold tape on it to accept the module. This is a 32-inch TV. Try to open. Be careful not to injure the TV. Open this place gently and slowly. This is the most dangerous place. You can do it with your hand. The light guide plate. Remove the reflective paper. The light bar has burned. Purchase light bar according to the right TV model. After replace, let's try to see the lighting effect. Oh, it can work well.